In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put two tables side by side in Google Docs. This can be really useful when you're trying to compare data or just organize your content in a more efficient manner. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. If you're familiar with Google Docs, you'll know it's a fantastic tool for creating and sharing documents online. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the option to create a new document. Doing this sets the stage for us to start dealing with tables. Now that your new document is open, we want to quickly get down to business. Look towards the top of your screen and find the menu that says Insert. Give that a click. This is your go-to area for adding all sorts of elements to your document, from images to charts, and most importantly for us today, tables. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on the table option. You'll be greeted with a grid that allows you to choose how many squares wide and tall your table should be. For this step, select the configuration that is just one row with two columns. This effectively acts as a container to host two separate tables side by side, which is exactly what we aim to achieve. Next, click inside the first column of the newly formed table. We want to repeat the process, so once again, click Insert, then Table, and this time select a 3 by 3 configuration. This creates a standard table inside your first column, allowing you to add content independently within it. Having done that, click into the second column to make sure it's selected. We're going to repeat the same procedure. Go to Insert, select Table, and choose another 3 by 3 configuration. Doing this means you'll have a 3 by 3 table in both sections of the first table, effectively placing two tables side by side. Now let's refine the visual aspects. Click back onto the first table with the two columns to modify some settings. We'll go to Table Options, where you can fine-tune various features of your table. Click on Color, which lets you adjust the border properties. You may want to make the border invisible by setting it to a value of 0 points to create a cleaner look. And there you have it. You've successfully placed two tables side by side in Google Docs. It's a simple yet powerful way to organize your structure within a document. Stick around for more helpful tips and tricks in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.